60s child. Oh no, wrong slide. Presenting the now iconic Chad Valley Give a Show projector. It came in several colours, but blue and red seem to be the most common. Inside the box you got your projector and a total of 56 slides in strips of 7. Later versions contained 112 slides and a huge variety of themes to suit every child. The projector had a glorified torch really. It had a lens on the front that pulled in and out to focus it, a switch on the back for the lamp. You pulled the back cover off to reveal where the batteries went and the bulb. And that was it. You put your slides in the side and you read your stories out. Simple, but very, very popular. On the ads it looked like this, but in reality this is what you saw. Still, when you consider TV was still black and white and quite blurry at that, this was full colour. Each strip of 7 slides had to tell a complete but very short story. The slides themselves were mini masterpieces. The artwork was cool and the colours were fantastic. You could even buy extra story strips of slides, and there were millions to choose from. The box artwork is highly sought after today because of that nostalgic sort of retro look to it. A look that harks back to a more peaceful and simpler time, a time when your imagination played a big part in your toys. So let's finish by watching one complete strip of Doctor Who. Enjoy.